Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new in my channel, welcome. It's Daisy here. In today's video, I will show you how to unbox my vintage Louis Vuitton Trousse 23, size 23. So if you like this video, please keep on watching, and thank you for watching and supporting my channel. So without further ado, we're gonna open this. It's from Japan. First time I bought vintage Louis Vuitton in eBay, and you can try. And I actually bought it in, there's specific, like there's a lots of Japanese seller there. So Japan is more like designer, and they're not allowed to sell fake, so it's against their law. So stay with me and let's open this one. By the way, guys, I will put the link below, or the name that where I bought my vintage Louis Vuitton Trousse size 23. Okay, you can check it. And he's a good, or he or she, but we just email. He's so good and accommodating seller. You can ask and he can answer you right away, and he's so nice, and I really appreciate him or her, because we just email. I don't know if he or she. Okay guys, let's open it. So there is it. I will put it on the other side now. Hope this nice, guys. Let's see. And this is not too expensive. It's only maybe $200 Canadian or $300 Canadian. Oh, oh, it's two. I thought it's one. So sorry guys, I thought it's two. Sorry, I thought it's one. It's 23 size and 28. Oh my, look at this, guys. I thought it's only one because I canceled the other one. Okay, actually I bought it two store, but I canceled the other one because it's a bit expensive. So I have two products here. This is size 28. Oh my, and it's look nice. And then guys, I will clean this, and I will show you it. I show it to you next video. I will clean the zipper. See, it's so hard, and we'll see how it's look like in the. It's a bit dirty, but I can clean it. See, you can insert here some lotion, hand sanitizer, and you can see what year this one. They have the number here, I think. But if it's 1980, they don't have the number. Okay, I can't find the number. So looks pretty good. There's a smell of vintage because it's vintage. And this one, oh, it's a great size. This one, I will make this one a sling, and I will show it in the next video how I do it. Oh, it's pretty good. Still pretty good. Let's open this. Oh, I like the size. It's a bit still dirty, but I can clean it. So this is made in France. It's pretty good outside. So no no rubs, no cracks at all. I like these sizes. This is perfect size. I'm looking. Nothing. So it's pretty awesome. This one, there's no where it's made, but oh, here it's there. Made in France. So I will check the code. Usually, oh, it's 2, guys. I thought I canceled the other one, but this is 2. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I will show this one to you guys when I clean it. Need to be clean. I know it's gonna be so nice after. There's no rubs, there's no cracks, just a sign of use inside. Don't worry about it. I can clean it and I will show it to you when it's done. Wow, nice guys. I love both of these. It's so nice. I have one that I have to clean it too, and if it's someone wants it or want to buy it, you can have it. When I show it, I clean it and then I will show it how it's look like after, to be updated. And then it's gonna be sling bag. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like and share, and then I will show you next one when I will turn this one to sling bag and clean it. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next one. Be safe. Share some love. So guys, here I found the code. So this bag is made 1984. So if it's made after 1980, they have the code. So this is made 1984, and this one is sold out. This is vintage. Nothing, you cannot find it in the store. They don't have it anymore. It's done. They don't make this one anymore. They have a new style, but I like more the vintage. It's like more durable, and they made it very nice. So this is 1983 03, so I think March 1983. And this one again is 1984 1, so January, I think. So this is the information of the vintage bag pouch trousse for travel. You can use it for travel, anything you can. So I will show you how it's how you use it, or anything you like with this pouch. Toiletries, Trousse, vintage Louis Vuitton. So thank you guys.